Good morning guys, I'm just awake. I have a nail appointment now. I'm just obviously getting dressed, getting ready, leaving the house. I'm really tired this morning. I had a really nice refreshing sleep, but then I woke up. Do you ever do that when you're like, oh my god, I have an appointment, and you wake up like really suddenly out of bed and you kind of like frighten yourself, and then you're like, oh, there goes all my nice refreshing sleep. I'm sure I'll be fine throughout the day as I'm going about. I always feel like that in the morning anyway, a bit like groggy. So I'm getting my nails done today. I know a lot of you guys go ape when I talk about getting my nails done. I'm not going crazy with them. I can't, because obviously I'm helping John with the apartment and doing it up and painting and stuff. And there's no point in getting like really super long nails because I can't do anything with them. I do want to kind of get my nails done, and I just love going in and getting my nails done, sitting down with my nail girl and chatting to her, and just, oh, there goes my alarm. I think I'm going to keep them square, and I want white. I'm thinking that's what I'm going for, or nude or something like that. I haven't decided, but something really boring, because I'm so used to like the big long stiletto nails and then going from no nails, so I can't really go back to stiletto nails. It just wouldn't work out well for me, so we're gonna go with square short nails. Or if I'm in there and I just feel like just getting a shellac or something, I'm gonna go with the flow when I get in there. I don't think I've anything else on this morning. I need to come home and work, and then I'm going over to paint in John's, so I need to get into old clothes, because obviously it's not going to be ideal to paint in your nice clothes. And I know I'm wearing a hoodie and whatever, but I like this hoodie and I don't want to get paint on it. I was in bed last night and I had about 7 topics that I needed to talk to you guys about, and I should have written them down because now I can't remember what I wanted to talk to you guys about, but I feel like they were interesting topics and now I don't remember what they were. So perhaps when I'm going throughout the day it might come back to me. Anyway, I need to go and get money out and park my car and get my nails done and all that jazz. So I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Going out, Chewy? Chewy? You going out? Don't let your tail get caught in the door. Come on, Chew. Oh, the poor little boy. Look how overgrown poor Chewy is. He's booked in to get groomed next week. The poor little devil. I feel so sorry for him, especially in this heat. Although it's cool enough today, but in general it was warm. Poor Chewy. And you're going to get your hair cut next week and you'll look like a beautiful boy. Yes, you will. Oh my god, guys, it's chilly this morning. And I had to put my glasses on, my sunglasses, because I have no idea where my other glasses are. Would you believe that? I have about 15 pairs of glasses and I can't seem to locate one of them. So I'm wearing sunglasses instead, but sure, it still does the job. A lot of people ask about these sunglasses. They are Ray-Ban sunglasses, but they are prescription lenses in them. I have a very light prescription. I think I'm like minus 0.75 in one eye and minus 0.1 in the other. So I just need them for driving or watching the television. Obviously I wear glasses watching the TV and not sunglasses, but I couldn't locate my other. I'm sure they're in the car somewhere. Just couldn't locate them there this morning, but it's after getting a bit nippy. Found my jacket in the boot of the car. God knows how long it's in there. A lot of people ask about this jacket as well. Penny's actually gifted this jacket to me. I love it so much. I got it from Primark, actually, not Penny's, and I got it from the London Oxford Street. So I don't know if they're still there, but that's where I got this jacket. It's like a size, I think 14 or something, and I wanted a really oversized jacket, so it's 4 sizes too big, but that's the way I like it. Go and pick up myself a coffee and then obviously head off to get the nails done. I have 2 nail girls, and when one's not available I go to the other nail girl, and they're both amazing. So one is Natalie and one is Tiffany, and I'm going to Natalie today, but normally I would go to Tiffany. Tiffany's really good at doing the artistic work on my nails, like she does like the gems and diamonds and stuff, but if I want my nails done really quickly I will go to Natalie, because she just is really quick. So one is really quick, and then one's real intricate and like does all the little detailing and stuff like that. So today, because I just want my nails done quickly, that's why I'm going to Natalie. I think today is also an ideal day to film because it is the perfect weather. Overcast weather is the perfect weather to film in, because you're getting the bright daylight but you're not getting sunshine, if that makes any sense. It's not glaring. I have talked about that before. I met one of my friends yesterday, actually Shane, when I was out for lunch with Neve, and he was like, we have to meet up for coffee and we'll have to go for a walk, and I was like, yeah, I'd love to do that. I haven't talked to Shane since maybe February, and he's so good to me. Like when I was going through crap in my life. Shane's always been there. Like, he's just a lovely guy. And yeah, so I'll probably meet up with him for like a coffee or something and catch up with him, because he's running his own gym now, and he was in a partnership and now he's gone solo, and I just think that's amazing. Like, good for him doing it on your own, because I know what it's like being completely and 100% involved in everything that you do, and not having anyone else to kind of fall back on is hard, but at the same time it's so rewarding because everything you've done is yours and you've done it all yourself. And you know, it's hard when you come from a support and then you're doing it on your own. So I just thought that was really cool that he's running the gym by himself. I used to go to Shane a lot, I don't know if you remember, last Christmas, to like personal training, and he helped me with like weight gaining and stuff like that, and he was really good just even for my confidence and stuff at the time, which I had zero. And now I just feel like I'm in like a completely different place. Not that I don't need personal training, but I mean, John's qualified personal trainer as well, so I mean that works out well. He doesn't work in personal training, but he is qualified to do personal training, so whenever we go out for a run or anything like that, he's pretty good at it. And I was saying to John, I was like, well, maybe you should just do like training with me as well, like 2 or 3 times a week, like. And I don't know how he feels about that. I probably won't listen to him. So that's the worst thing when you go to a personal trainer in a gym, or you know, like a personal trainer that you don't really know that well. You'll obviously take on board what they have to say, whereas I know if John was giving me, sorry, my wipers are really noisy, I know if John was giving me personal training advice, I'd probably slack, because I'd be like, I can get away with it, it's okay, you know, he won't push me too hard. Although John does, like when we're out for runs, he's like, come on Aisling, you're well able for this, come on, keep going. And I'm like, oh, I'm dying, I just want to lie down on the ground and die, and he won't let me. I know I'm doing hill sprints, or no, what are we doing, 600 meter sprints tonight. We're doing like obviously 6 100 meter interval sprints tonight, but now that the weather is not great, I don't know how I feel about that. I hate sprinting in the wet, and even when I was younger and I used to go up to like my running track, I hated when it was raining, and I'd just be like, no, maybe I won't go tonight. Isn't that really bad? So bad. So I'm just at my nail appointment now, and I made it right on time, which is like a new one for me. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm done. Hey guys, so I'm back. Oh, I just got my nails done. I'm taking this jacket off because it's after getting pretty warm and my nails are done. So there we go. I only got like really basic nails. I told you, I'll just pull my sleeves up here. I told you guys I wasn't gonna go long, I wasn't gonna go stiletto or anything. So I think these are perfect. They're ombre tips, like white tips, like ombre French, I think that's what it's called, and they're just perfect for me because they're maintainable. And you know, from going from short nails, I didn't want to go for something too long, so I think I'm going to keep this length for, you know, for indefinitely. And you know, if I want to go with the stiletto nails in the future, I suppose I can. What is going on with my hair? I'm sweating now because it's after getting really warm out. Let's put the window down. I'm really happy with these. She did a great job. I don't know if you guys can see them there. They're super pretty. If this will focus, it would be epic. I don't know, maybe it's not going to focus, but I'm happy with the shape of them. I really like them. I think they're lovely, and I just like the ombre tips, and they're very natural looking. So I told you guys I wasn't going to go crazy with my nails. At this moment, I'm going home. I'm going to get like into old clothes. I'm going to the apartment over to John, and we're going to paint. Well, I'm painting, he's doing something else. I don't know why he's doing something with the bathroom. So I'm going to paint the sitting room, and yeah, that's the plan for today. What is going on with this hair? I was going to film today, but I just kind of want to get stuck in with the painting and stuff, get that over and done with, and then as the day's gone on, it's kind of getting brighter and sunnier and stuff. So I just had a late start to the day. Sorry, I'll turn it down, Lady Marmalade. I had kind of a late start to the day as well, so I'm gonna just get stuck into it all day tomorrow, all day Thursday and Friday, just filming and editing. That's it, nothing else. So happy to have nails back, not gonna lie. I love the short nails and everything. I love my natural nails, but I'm happy to have something short, maintainable, and still looking cute. And I don't know, they just look better. I also just realized there was a primer in the bottom of my bag, and it's after like bursting all over the bottom of my bag. What an idiot. I have to leave that out there. I'm just have to put my hand into my bag and there's like goo all over the place. I don't know why there's a primer in my handbag, because I don't know, like, why would you need a primer on the go? Obviously if you're ashing, you need a primer on the go, because that just seems like the normal thing to do. Okay guys, I'm in my old clothing and ready to go over and paint. and I feel so bad. I just left Chewy and he's so sad in the house on his own. I hate leaving him behind. And I found my glasses as well so I can drive properly. I think I'm gonna run in and get coffee. I'm wearing like old horrible clothes, but who cares? It'd be fine. I'll just go into the coffee shop and nobody will say anything, and no judgment because I look horrific. I'm wearing the clothes that I was wearing the other day when I was painting, and there's paint all over them. Obviously I washed them, but obviously paint doesn't come out, it's stained, so they look a bit grubby. And John said he wanted a protein ball. I don't think I'm going to be able to get that at the coffee shop. Maybe I will. I'll go in and have a look. Maybe I'm just getting one of those fulfill bars or something like that. Just in the apartment now, and I finished this room. I painted all this on Saturday. You can kind of see some of the paint from the colour before on the walls. It just needs another coat, but I think it came up really well, and the floorboards have been stripped back and they are going to be restained and redone. Some of the floorboards will need to be fixed and stuff like that, and that's what's going on with this room. So it looks pretty good, coming along well. Currently I'm painting the hall, and John's in here fixing, I don't know what he's doing, like cables and stuff. And then he got a stove as well, which is in this room. This room obviously has to be all redone and stuff, and we're just kind of like sweeping stuff, and this is what we're at in the hall. It's all coming together. There's new doors going on this door here and stuff. Yeah, he's making great progress on his little apartment. Hi guys, I'm finished painting. As you can see, there's like paint all over my face. Obviously I'm painting with white paint, but it's a water-based paint, so it should just peel off. And my poor new nails, I have like white paint all around my nail beds, but again, it's just water-based paint, so it'll come out. 7:45 now, so I've been over there for 8 hours, 7 hours, something like that, and done all the painting, and I feel like real delighted that the majority of the painting is done. John did all the rewiring and stuff, so it's coming along quite nicely. The hall needs to be finished painted. I need to do a second coat of paint on the landing and then paint the living room, and I think the kitchen's okay because it was painted magnolia, and like that should be easy to kind of like paint over it, whereas the rest of the house was like painted like yellows and reds and stuff, and they're not really that easy to paint over, so I have to put like a base coat of white on everything basically. So that is where I'm at today, and yeah, I'm absolutely shattered now because like that I've spent so long painting. My hands are just covered in paint, my arms hurt, my back hurts from bending down, standing up, but it's coming along really nicely now. Like all the dust and dirt is kind of mellowed down because it was just intense at one stage from like taking off plaster and taking things out, and you know the way dust kind of gathers and stuff, so it's looking much better now. And even like the smell, it's starting to smell really nice with the paint and stuff, like not dusty and musty. So I'm now gonna get my dinner, and I think I'm gonna have an early night because I'm shattered. I was supposed to go on my sprints tonight, but oh my, sorry guys, but I'm too tired, so sprints will have to wait till tomorrow night. And yeah, that's the story there. Right, the sun's getting too bright, so I think it's a sign. I'll chat to you later. Hey guys, just out of the shower, hence the red face. I actually don't know why my face is this red. I'm putting away makeup currently and stuff that I purchased that arrived, and I just thought I'd show you. There's something else I was to show you. Oh yes, I left it downstairs, damn it. I got eyelashes and deals today, and they're from Fern. Is it Fern? I think that's her name, and she makes lashes now, and they're in deals and they look really nice, so I picked them up and they're only $1.50 each, which I thought was a very good deal. Anyway, I got brushes from Beauty Bay. Do you remember I ordered these last week and they arrived today? I don't know why they arrived in two separate orders, like the Carnival palette and then that arrived in a different order. I don't know, maybe they come from different warehouses or something like that. You guys probably remember me talking about these on my channel, so I ordered the Y7 brush, which is this big, I don't know if it's a foundation brush or what exactly it is, but I just like the look of it and I ordered that. I ordered this little eye brush, which is the Y19. I'm delighted I got this one because I think this is a great, oh my god, I'm opening at the wrong end. This is the Y19. Look how amazing that is. A perfect crease brush. Then I got the R39, which is just a natural hair, oh god, this is stuck in here as well. So yeah, this is a natural haired brush, and I think this looks great for, again, crease work. Then I ordered this brush, which I don't think I've ever owned this one before from Morphe. This is the M575. Focus, yes. And that's what that looks like. Again, probably another crease brush, not gonna lie, but you can't have enough crease brushes. And then I got my favorite Morphe brush ever. This is the M507. I love this for like detail work underneath the lower lash line and in the outer V, and I have tons of these. And I just love them, and you can never have enough. So they're the brushes that I bought from Morphe. I ran down and got the lashes. So this is the Siren pair and the Astrid. I think they look really pretty. I think Astrid would look lovely as natural lashes, and obviously the Siren ones are a little bit bigger, but they're like fluffier and flowier, more wispy. That's the word I was looking for. I think they look lovely. So they were $150 each. Delighted with them. And then I got 2 pairs of earrings, and again they were $150 each. So hearts and pineapples and little gold studs. And then Esquido sent me out these liners. So they've new gel eyeliner pencils, but they are pencils, but obviously they're like a gel formula. So they have a black and they have a brown, which I'm very excited about. And then Ollie's friend Shannon, which is my friend as well, came over tonight, and she said that she would let me try these 2 palettes because I've never tried them before. So I definitely want to give these a go in a video. The Desert Dust palette, and then the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. I don't know if this is still available. I feel like this is limited edition, but it looks like this on the inside. And Shannon's so good. She really takes care of her makeup like I do. I love like keeping everything kind of clean and everything. So this is what the palette looks like. It's really, really pretty. And I'm definitely going to give this a go, see what I think of it. But I'm most interested in the Desert Dust palette because I said that I never wanted to purchase this just because it wasn't really something that I felt I needed. But now I'm looking at it in person, it looks gorgeous, and I definitely think I'm going to use this in a video, see what I think of it. I'm obsessed obviously with Amethyst. I think Udo looks lovely. Eden, Blazing, Saffron. I love like Cosmo, that looks amazing. And Celestial, is it? Is that Celestial? Yeah, Celestial. They look, oh my god, so beautiful. So I can't wait to try them out. Let's swatch Celestial. Oh, it's such a pretty shade. I really want to give these a go. They look really pretty. And let's see what the Amethyst looks like. Oh, they look so pretty. Can't wait to give them a go in a video also. Basically all I want to catch is up on since the last time I spoke to you guys. I'm going to dry my hair. John rang me, so I'm going to return his phone call. Oh my god, my phone's gone dead. Great. So I'm going to try and return his phone call anyway and see what the story with them is. And I'm going to bed. That's my exciting day that I've had today. Very exciting. And I have to try and reduce this redness. I don't know what the hell's going on with my face. I had the shower on, not going to lie, very hot. Very, very, very hot. I know we shouldn't have a really hot shower, but sometimes I really want one, and today was one of those days. I'm gonna go hit the hay. I'm tired. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow for another day of adventures. Hopefully I'll be filming tomorrow. Oh, fingers crossed that tomorrow's weather is decent. I'm in the form to film and we bang out some videos because that's what I want to do. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. I love you so much. Have a wonderful day wherever you're watching this from, and I will talk to you in my next vlog. Mwah! Bye guys!